forces.
Et voilà. Plier, remonter, tout du haut. Et ça, allez, là, oui.
The battery is fully charged again. I'm having a lot of fun. I finished the beam in my living room. It's completely clean now and I have enough of the concrete. It's not concrete. Well, it's a mixture of concrete and lime and two different types of sand. All of that goes on my wall in the next couple of days. I went over it with the smoother of the two brushes. This is a bit harder. Looking forward to a finished wall one of these days. Have a good night, see you tomorrow, sleep well and bye bye.
Je pensais pas que vous auriez fini si vite.
I'm finally finished with this wall. Took much longer than I thought it would, as usual. I'm super exhausted, but also very, very happy that it's done, at least in this room. It looks alright. And I think tomorrow I'm gonna start redoing all the joints. Ready to attack the other wall in my bedroom.
Your bedroom.
Yes, in my bedroom. It looks pretty good. I tried to change the color a bit. I think this is gonna be a tiny tint more yellow than in the other room. It looks like this. Cannot complain. More than happy about this. Looks pretty awesome. Yeah, it's getting dark. I'm getting tired. And see you tomorrow for another full day of fun work in France. Finished my wall. Yeah, it took me 10 hours today, 8 hours yesterday, and the day before another 8 hours. So that's a lot of hours for such a small wall.
Un quart fois 3.
Un quart?
Fois.
Ça fait 3 quarts.
Bravo, 3 quarts de blanc.
Ah si, ça.
Yeah.